Hello, welcome to part 5 of the preparation for Workshop Your Words, What I Do. I'm in a different place and I don't know if you can hear piano. I've got piano. I'm up in the attic, my friend's studio working today. The first time that I get to commute somewhere to work in quite a while. So, the preparation for this part 5 is simply about bringing together everything that you've already done. So over the last few sessions you have moved through various questions. So you started out with, how does what I do move others? Then, how do my words move me? How do they affect me? Then you had a look at who you're speaking to and had a good think about some very distinct parts of your audience, humans that are in your audience. And then what company do you keep? So the company of your peers, but also the company of people offering services that are similar or different to you. The company you keep and the company you don't keep. So if you go back and have a look at the notes, listen to the audio you made, some sketches, whatever you use to document it, and breathe it in, walk about a bit and let it stew. And by tomorrow, or whenever you're joining the workshop, you'll have all of this fruitful compost to help make the new words grow. So this is just a chance to go back, reflect. For sure you're going to have some new ideas so you can add them in, and then you'll be ready to build some words on top of all of this, words that make sense within you and outwards as well. So that's the end of preparation part 5. Next time we see each other, it will be the workshop itself. So till then, goodbye.